Kwaga WUIGIRIRIKI hari uhuthiri wa ngombo iria bururi ukoretwo kioya ni umwe wa maundu maria marikitie AKENYA mutondoini wa kuriha mathirĩ manene maria maingi mamo hatire na tabarĩra makinyaniirie ingionanio. Akiaria hindi ya kigomano gia thikũ igĩrĩ kiria githaganĩtio ni gikundi kia OKOA UCHUMI, President wa kiama kia mawakiri Faith Odhiambo ni oritie thirikari kugia na WUIGIRIRIKI hari uhuthiri wa ngombo kuona murigo wa kuriha ni undu urahinga thirikari hari gukinyaniria mamwe ma motungata kuri AKENYA.
As we are witnessing today, the trust placed in the government is broken. Excessive debt hinders the state's ability to perform its essential functions such as providing education, healthcare, ensuring economic stability and protecting the vulnerable. When debt is mishandled, it undermines the very foundation of our social contract. This is where the law must intervene, not just to regulate, but to safeguard, ensuring public borrowing is carried out with transparency, accountability, and a strong sense of justice.
Harith Sheikh kuma wabici ya muthurimi wa budget akiuga undu ungi ubatie kumurikwo na njĩra nene ni ngombo iria thirikari ikoretwo ikioya o guku bururi-ini iria ikoragwo na marihi ma iguru ma njoherera iria ikinyagiria mabilioni ma mbeca.
We look at the interest service costs which have been paid. Domestic was almost half a trillion, 0.5 trillion, which is 534.2 billion and 216.24. Why? What is the rate of domestic debt interest rate which are charged in the country? The treasury bills, the treasury bonds are at around 17-18%.
Sheikh augete to thirikari nene ibatie kumurikwo no ni nginyagia thirikari cia county iria ikoretwo igithondeka budget nene gukira kigina kiria mangiungania undu uria ucitigaga na mathirĩ manene na oho kwaga WUIGIRIRIKI hari tabarĩra itiganite.
The counties also do some borrowings indirectly which nobody knows about. Some are created, like the overdraft in salaries. That one is because of delay in disbursements. And then you'll say, where are the county pending bills coming from? Because they also exaggerate their budgets.
Na hari mathirĩ maria thirikari nene na cia county itarihite andu aria makoretwo makimahe motungata mathiete na mbere kwambatĩra riu magikinyiria bilioni 800.
The figures of public debt as at 30th June by both the counties and national government is almost 800 billion. The national governments owes the public pending bills amounting to 516 billion, and the county governments owe the public pending bills amounting to 152.37 billion. These figures is almost a trillion.
Gerifotera Kameme TV ni njĩtagwo Wangui wa Mũirũrĩ.